Okay, so since the closing weeks of last year, we began working on Cambridge 19. So look at that. These are Chinese characters. So Cambridge 19 is from 2024. Okay, I wonder if there's a newer one already. Cambridge 20. So Cambridge 19 is very recent. So we can tell that this material is exactly like the IELTS exam. Okay. So for today, we will be doing writing. Okay. Particularly task one writing. So that's the one. So this is from test one. See, test one, writing task one. Okay. So it's a line graph and there are like 5 values. Okay, maybe I should time myself. Let me try to time myself first. Okay, let's set up the clock. There's the clock. Okay. So ideally, we should be writing this in 20 minutes. There, time is running. See, you should spend about 20 minutes on this task. And then the remaining 40 minutes, you should be doing task two. So task one writing is only 1/3 of your total grade for writing. 2/3 will come from task two. So we will be doing task two next. So the graph below gives information on the numbers of participants for different activities at one social center in Melbourne, Australia for the period of 2000 to 2020. So all of the information is in the past. So Ellen, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. So all the information is in the past. So I should make sure that all my tenses are in the past. Okay. So wait, let me write that down a in a blank piece of Word document there. Okay, let's make a blank one. Line graph. Okay, there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to snip, snipping tool there. Let's open snipping tool and then let's snip the graph. Okay, it looks intimidating, but it's really very simple. I promise you. So rectangle. So we will snip it like that. There. Okay. There you go. Is that good enough? There. And then we will attach it to our Word document. Okay, wait. Maybe we should reset the time. Let's reset the time. There. Okay. And then let's start it all over again. Okay. So we have it snipped. Okay. So where is it? Where is it? So this is the graph. So the first thing that comes to mind is the tense. When I describe this, I should make sure I use past tenses all throughout. And then the next thing that comes to mind are the values there. So 2000 to 2020. What are these? Oh, number of participants. Oh, I see, like 70 participants only in total. And then these ones, film club. So we call this film club participants, martial arts participants, amateur dramatics participants, table tennis participants, and musical performances or participants of musical performances. So we just can't say film club or martial arts. We should say those who participated in martial arts, those who participated in film clubs there. And then, so the first one is the tensing, the second one are the values, all of these values. The third one is I will look at the data now. So clearly film club is right on top. So I will make sure to highlight that. So I will just mention this one, the beginning. In line graphs, we should always begin at the very start. There. So let's start from the very beginning. A very good place to start. There. That's from Sound of Music. And then I can see that it has barely changed. So I will mention that one. And I will mention this one. There, let me draw. Let me do some drawing. So draw. There. Draw. So there. I will mention that one and I will mention that one. Hardly any change at all. Then the second one is martial arts. So similarly, I will also mention the beginning and the end because there's not much change there to save time. Okay, amateur dramatics started off at under 30 participants. And then uh, maybe I will mention that one after 5 years, and then I will jump here. See, so and then this one, whatever this is, table tennis. So I will mention this one, and I will mention this one, and then I will mention that one there. That's how I. This is what you call a cluster. How do you organize the data? How do you cluster the data? And so 2005 for musical performances, and then at the end there. Okay, so and then overall, we can see that number one, the most popular is the film club, and then what's this? This is table tennis grew in popularity, while the rest of them were um, somewhat mildly popular. I have my essay already, so okay. Let me minimize this screen there. Let me minimize that. So I will write the essay already. So there. Okay, let's make that smaller. Okay. So oh, I anyway, I have the data over here, so I'll just write it from here. Okay. So the introduction is really just the same as this one. So it's really just the same as that one. Maybe we should snip this as well. Okay, so snip, 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 snip. Where's the snip? There. We'll make a new snip. The new snip there. And we're gonna snip this thing there. Okay. It's important for me to snip this because this is the introduction. That one is the introduction. I'll just rephrase it. Rephrase it. Making sure not to copy it word by word. Okay, so JB is coming in. Okay, so there. Then I'm gonna snip it here, there. All right. Okay, so we're ready to describe. So the graph gives information. Okay. What's this? A social center in Melbourne, Australia. A survey was conducted over 20 years in in a particular social center in Melbourne, Australia, comma, measuring the number of participants in five different activities. There, five different activities. And then you can write your conclusion already here, which is what we call the overall statement. Overall, it is apparent that film club membership remained the most popular throughout, while table tennis participants grew. Remember all of those tenses. To become second most popular by the end of the study or survey there. Okay, and then we will now proceed with our first body paragraph, wherein we will discuss these in detail, right? So maybe I will begin by discussing these two because they're so similar, and then these three will be the last. Okay, so I'll begin with that one. So to begin with, for film club participants, there were about 65 of them in 2000, and this high figure was retained consistently for 20 years, topping the survey there. Okay. Meanwhile, for martial arts participants, their numbers remained in the 30, in the in the range of around 30 members throughout. That's the end of it. And then I will now proceed to these three. Okay. For amateur dramatics, mm, it began at under 30 members in the year 2000. And then remember, I will mention that one. And rose slightly after 5 years. There. And then I will jump to year 2020. By year 2020, membership fell sharply to merely 5 members. There. We now have these two left. So table tennis participants started mildly at around 15. Okay, 15 to 20 for the first decade. Then rocketed. Oh, I love it. See, it rocketed. It's like a rocket. Boom, there. Rocketed uh, to double the number. See, uh, by 2020, ending up second most popular. Now, finally, there, musical performances, um, participants for musical performances um, opened only in 2010, 2010 with 10 members before climbing slightly to around 20 by 2020. That's the end of my description. Easy peasy. It took us only 11 minutes. Easy peasy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to ask ChatGPT to write this for us there, and then we will also ask ChatGPT to evaluate our outputs there. So I will just organize it there. Tika is coming in there. Okay. Tika, you're so early. You're so early. Okay, so we will just use for Dana. There.
Sorry to say I'm late.
Yeah, you're so early for tomorrow. You're so early for tomorrow, Tika. Okay, so there
Yeah.
we just finished the description. We're so good. And then now we will ask ChatGPT to describe it for us there. So we're going over to ChatGPT. Um, there, IELTS task 1 essay. Then we will paste the image there. And then chat, can you make me a task 1 description for this line graph that would score a band 9 there. And chat is gonna write it for us in under 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Oh, come on, you 1011, 1012. Come on, Chad, you're so slow today. There. Wow, that's a wordy description. Wordy, wordy, wordy. Okay, so let's go. The line graph compares participation levels in 5 different activities: film club, martial arts, amateur dramatics, table tennis, and musical performances over a 20-year period from 2000 to 2020. Overall, the film club consistently attracted the highest number of participants throughout the period, while table tennis experienced the most dramatic growth. I love that adjective, dramatic growth. In contrast, dramatics declined steadily. And where is dramatics? Let me take a look. Where is dramatics? Oh, this one. Amateur dramatics there. It declined steadily. Uh, and musical performances. Although starting from zero, showed gradual but sustained growth. Okay. In 2000, so ChatGPT is describing this one, guys. That one. Okay. In 2000, the film club led with approximately 65 participants. Oh, ChatGPT is doing a different style, guys. He's doing it that way. See? That way. But me, what I did is I described this first, and then I described that next, and then I described this third, and I described this fourth. But ChatGPT is doing it differently. So, the film club led with 65 participants, followed by martial arts at around 35. Amateur dramatics and table tennis were less popular, with roughly 25 and 15 participants respectively, while musical participants had no participants, performances had no participants at all. By 2005, participation in the film club dipped slightly, whereas martial arts fell to just over 30. You know, ChatGPT, you're too detailed. Come on. No wonder your writing is too long. See, describe this one already, guys. Okay, I didn't even bother to mention those. The figures are so close, guys. Why do you even want to bother? Wait, let me check my essay. How many words did it take me? Okay, let's check it out. See, 173 words. That's over and above the 150. Amateur dramatics peak at close to 28 before beginning a downward trend. So where are you, ChatGPT? Amateur dramatics there before a downward trend. Okay. And then it's now in table tennis and musical performances. So from 2010 onwards, table tennis rose sharply, overtaking. Oh, you had to mention overtaking amateur dramatics and martial arts by 2015. Interesting. That's interesting, guys. That's an interesting technique. See, it went from here and then it overtook. See, it overtook amateur dramatics and martial arts. See, very nice. That's a nice technique, Chat GPT. We learned from you. And reaching approximately 54 participants by 2020, making it the second most popular activity. Meanwhile, the film club recovered. Where's the film club? The film club, guys, is what? You shouldn't have. Okay, just gonna mention this one. To wordy chat GPT at around 66 participants. Martial arts fluctuated modestly but remained relatively stable overall, ending at 36. Too wordy, that's martial arts over there, guys. Too wordy chat GPT. And then conversely, amateur dramatics. So where's amateur dramatics, guys? This is the one there. Do you see that? Do you see that? There. And then he will mention musical performances last. Okay. Too detailed chat GPT. Saw a continuous decline after 2005, dropping to fewer than 10 participants by 2020. Musical performances increased steadily from zero in 2005 to nearly 20 participants at the end of the period. In summary, participation trends varied markedly across activities, with table tennis showing rapid growth. Yeah, table tennis should be highlighted. This one. And film club should be highlighted. Uh, Amateur dramatics declining substantially and the film club maintaining its dominant position throughout. Okay, so we will copy paste that, guys. Then we will ask ChatGPT to evaluate my version. And we're gonna tell ChatGPT, don't tell me I only scored a band 8 with this one, ChatGPT. Right, guys? We can influence the artificial intelligence. Okay, let me label this first Junie's version. And okay, ChatGPT's band 9 version there. And we're gonna paste it there. Wow. Okay. So, okay, let me just fix the. I really like Verdana. I like its look, you know. See, Verdana. Only give me Verdana. That's my favorite fonts of all. See, can you see the difference? Right? It's pleasing to the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna copy paste this, guys. Wait, how many words did that take? See, 255, that's too much, Chat GPT. This is not task 2 writing, you know. This is just task 1 writing. Anyway, we're not gonna bother with that. Okay, and then we will copy paste that and send it to Chat GPT. Um, as usual, could you evaluate my own version? Uh, I believe I wouldn't score under band 8 with this one. Here. You're trying to influence ChatGPT. And then I pasted it. Enter. And come on, ChatGPT. In fact, that should have scored a 9. All right, Junie, gloves off, but hearts on. I'll evaluate the way a real examiner will. Fair, professional, and not nitpicky for sport. Estimated band 7.5. Not under band 8 by accident, but not clean 8. Come on, ChatGPT. I don't believe you. You're right that it's clearly above band 7. There's one serious issue that taps the score. What is it? So, task achievement. Clear overview, correct identification, logical grouping of activities, no irrelevant details, but major limiter in a particular social center in Melbourne, Australia. What's wrong with that? This information that does not exist in the graph. Oh no 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 no! Because we didn't send this to Chat GPT, guys. So see, we didn't send this part. There, we only sent this part. Okay, so that means we already scored a band 8 Chat GPT. And then, all right, coherence and cohesion. All check marks, clear paragraphing, smooth progression, natural sequencing, effective comparison. This is very strong, clearly band 8 level. See, this one, look at this, 7.5, but we did not copy paste the task description. So that should have been an 8 already. Right, guys? Coherence and cohesion, band 8, lexical resource, band 8, strong natural academic phrases, retain consistently, remains in the range, rose slightly, rocketed like a spaceship, ending up second most popular. Only tiny issue, rocketed is slightly informal. Come on, nitpicky, you're so nitpicky, Chat GPT. And grammar, what? 7.5? You're kidding me. Participants for musical performances opened only in 2010. Oh, come on, that's my style. Don't bother with my style, Chat GPT. Nitpicky and some repetitive sentence starters. And final examiner verdict. Okay, what stops a clean band-aid? It's because we did not send the task description. So I'm sure this is already a band 8. See, band 8 minimum version. There, guys. Did you enjoy it? Like, before we close, guys, let me just emphasize that. Let me emphasize, see, do you see those circles? See, I began with this one and that one. And I began with this one and that one. And then for amateur dramatics, that one, and then drop there. Three points. And then for table tennis, mention that one, and rocketed. They're rocketed. And then, but ChatGPT mentioned the point of intersection. Very smart. And then 2005, there. That's it, guys. That's how you make sense of so many lines. There's no need to describe each and every point. There's no time for it, Chat GPT. You're too wordy. Okay. Is that clear, people? Do you follow? And I will send this to you guys, this essay. There. Okay. There, guys. So, Tika, this will be on recording anyway. So you can just listen back on the recording, okay? Tika. Okay, we're gonna be stopping the recording, guys.
Okay, teacher.
All right, Tika. Hold on.